If waxing your vehicle on a monthly basis isn't your thing, check out the Pinnacle Black Label Diamond Coating Elite Kit. This kit includes everything you need to coat every square inch of your vehicle's exterior, including paint, wheels, and glass. Black Label diamond coatings are incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. Coatings have a couple advantages over conventional wax or paint sealant. First and foremost, they provide protection that's measured in years, not months. Second, they create a finish that is much easier to clean. Last, but certainly not least, is the glassy reflective shine that they create, which is especially beneficial for white and silver, two colors that struggle to garner the attention of blacks, reds, and blues. Most people are apprehensive about applying a coating to their vehicle, but that's not necessary with Black Label diamond coatings and this kit. Each product is very easy to apply, and we've included the necessary polish to prep the surface, along with a specially designed coating applicator and a couple of our best microfiber towels. The best part about this kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.